Hello my viewers and my subscribers, welcome to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Since the pandemic, my family feel like they want to eat biryani rice. Rather than buying or ordering the food from outside, I took a challenge to cook biryani rice. 2 whole chicken, cut into 16 pieces, or you can even cut smaller, the choice is yours. 200 gram curd or yogurt, or we can call it tairu. 3 onions, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger. These ingredients have to blend it. And 3 limes, 3 tablespoons garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder. We put all the spices, powders, and mix it well. Then we add in the tairu, mix it again. Follow up with squeezing all the lime juice and the blended ingredients. We mix all the blended ingredients evenly and we marinate the chicken for 3 hours. And now we prepare the rice ingredients. 2 kg basmati rice, soak it for 20 minutes. 4 big red onions, slice it. 4 tomatoes, slice it. 5 cloves of garlic, pound it, or you can even use garlic powder. 3 red chili and 4 limes. Biryani powder, turmeric powder, and chili powder. Cardamom, clove, cinnamon, and bay leaf. Mint leaf and coriander leaf. Heat up 1 cup of cooking oil in the big pot. And add in 6 tablespoons of ghee. Put the spices and add in the onions. Stir fry until it turns golden brown. Once it turned golden brown, we add in garlic, and tomato, mint leaf, and coriander leaf, and also add the chili. Stir it for a while. Add in all the mixed powders. Mix it well. We add in 200 grams of tairu or curd, and mix it again. And now we can put all the chicken that we already marinate just now. While the chicken is cooking, we cook the rice. Boil water in a big pot and add in 1 tablespoon of salt. Once the water is boiling, we put all the rice into the pot. Cook in medium-high flame for 4 minutes. Once it cooks, we turn off the flame and strain the water and leave aside. Once a while, we have to stir the chicken so it won't burn underneath. We cook in low flame. Once the chicken is half cooked, we put the rice and mix the rice gently so the chicken don't break up. Well, my chicken biryani rice are ready to be served. I serve the biryani rice with dalcha and fruit salad raita. If you want to see the recipe for dalcha or fruit salad raita are in my description below. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy and try this recipe at home. If you do like the video, please click thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Feel free to leave a comment below and also share my video recipe to all your friends in social media and your family members. See you in my next video and wish you have a great day.